Hello friends, I am Anand and welcome to our YouTube channel Pickle Jar. Friends, over the period of time, we realized when we were making different videos, we realized that Pune is a city which is tremendously in love with sweets. यहाँ पर न मीठा खाने वालों की कमी है और न खिलाने वालों की। पर ये बुनियाद रखी किसने और कब? अगर मैं आपको कहूँ कि कोई स्वीट शॉप 50 साल पुरानी है तो यू विल से गुड। अगर मैं कहूँ कि कोई स्वीट शॉप 80 साल पुरानी है, यू विल से रियली। और अगर मैं कहूँ कि कोई स्वीट शॉप इज़ more than 100 years old, would you believe it? You may or may not believe it. But friends, today we are going to visit such a shop which is more than 100 years old, almost 125 years old. So let's find out what the journey has been of such a tremendous and such an old sweet shop, how it has catered different needs over the period of times. Friends, let's find out more about such a sweet shop and see what the sweet journey it has been through. Namaskar. Here we can see that a section which is completely dedicated to Bengali sweets, rasgulla, mini rasgulla. Here Bengali sandesh, malai jam, butterscotch sandwich. I think the inner layer, the middle layer is Bengali touch. So it is like a fusion over here. Malai sandwich, which is again looks really tempting, and it chum chum. We know it very well, authentic Bengali sweet. Next we move on to Barfi section. So the traditional Kaju Katli, Kaju Kesar Katli, Pista Katli, Kaju Gajak. Okay, Gajak I would like to tell you this is more of a, I would say, seasonal sweet जो ठंड में मिलती है. इसमें रहता है तिल और जो थोड़ी सी गर्म रहती है. Okay, अंजीर कतली, काजू अंजीर बर्फी. Again, I think this entire section is bit dedicated to काजू और different dry fruit section we can say. अलग अलग काजू के अलग अलग फ्लेवर्स में मिठाइयाँ बनाई गई हैं. Friends, it's review time now. Honestly friends, it was really difficult to find 2 to 3 unique sweets from the ocean of the sweets. So we drilled down to 2 traditional and 2 different unique types of sweets which we would like to review today. We will start with this different looking barfi. If you see friends, the outer 2 layers, this is pure chocolate. The inner layer, it is kesar, pistachio, tutti frutti, Kaju and other different sweets and different dry fruits inside. If I break it, this is really soft. If you eat it, flavors are too good. Each of the flavor is coming differently. Tutti Frutti is giving the additional sweet touch, I would say, over here. Kesar is doing its job. Chocolate doing its job very well. I am sure this sweet is very famous amongst kids. I'll give it 8 out of 10. Good. Next, I'll move to this sweet. This is Kaju Gajak. Initially I thought when we say Gajak, it is something related to til or sesame seeds. But friends, this Gajak is purely a Kaju with a hint of pistachio and dry fruit inside. थोड़ा सा hard, little bit hard. It's not too hard, but little bit hard to break. It is not a typical काजू बर्फी. अंदर से थोड़ा सा सिवैयाँ वाला फील आता है, थोड़ा सा सोन पपड़ी वाला फील आता है. If you see inside, थोड़े से रेशे हैं इसमें. Probably that's make it bit different. Sugar level awesome, not too sweet, very well balanced sugar level. Crisp है इसमें, little bit touch of sugar आपको लगता है मुंह में भी. Overall good, very good. I'll give it 7 out of 10. Next, we thought of moving to Bengali section. Friend, this sweet is a bit fusion over here. The upper layer and the bottom layer, that is malai. The middle layer is rasgulla sandwich sort of thing. If you break it, if we see, there is still some stuffing inside. Some, okay, let's see. I'll tear it layer by layer. Quite good amount of sweet. I'm going to middle layer. Malai sandwich. The upper layer and the bottommost layer again is like a rasgulla, a square rasgulla cut from in between, and a layer of malai put in between. I'll give it again 7.5 out of 10. Now finally coming to the king of all sweet, Rajbhog. Friends, why we chose this particular sweet, when we were talking to Mr. Shantanu Ghadve, जो यहाँ के ऑनर हैं, ही टोल्ड अस कि उनके यहाँ जितने भी बंगाली स्वीट के वर्कर हैं वो सारे बंगाल से ही आए हैं, एंड फॉर डिकेड्स दे हैव बीन वर्किंग विद इट. लेट्स सी व्हाट मैजिक दे डू ओवर हियर. आसानी से टूट गया, बहुत सॉफ्ट है. अगेन राजभोग के साथ इसमें भी केसर का फ्लेवर है, बहुत अच्छे से यूज़ किया है. स्वीटनेस इज़ वेल बैलेंस्ड. बहुत ज़्यादा स्वीट नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा फीका भी नहीं है. इट इज़ वेल बैलेंस्ड. आई एम श्योर दैट द वर्कर्स हु हैव बीन वर्किंग फॉर डिकेड्स विद काका हलवाई, दे हैव सक्सीडेड टू ब्रिंग द रीजनल टेस्ट ऑफ कैलकाटा टू पुणे विथ दिस स्वीट. आई कैन सी सम केसर. फ्रेंड, दैट इज़ द सीक्रेट ऑफ इट. जब तक आप इनर मोस्ट क्रस्ट तक नहीं पहुँचेंगे, इनर मोस्ट लेयर तक नहीं पहुँचेंगे, यू कैन नॉट नो द कंप्लीट टेस्ट ऑफ इट. दिस इज़ रियली टू गुड. वन ऑफ द बेस्ट स्वीट. Rajbhog has been well defined over here. I don't know how close it is to the Rajbhog which we found in Calcutta or in Bengal overall, but I will say this has got its own unique taste. Tremendously good. I am sure all people from all over across the India will like it. I am giving it a whopping 9 out of 10. Too good. Friends, these are our opinions. We do believe you will like it. Again, we recommend and we request you to come over here and create your opinion. Thanks for today. Have a lovely time.